Hotel is a place where a bona fide traveler get food and comfort. Hello everybody, hi. My name is Snehashish Panda. I am the Assistant Professor of Kontai College of Learning and Management Science. Today, I am going to say something about various types of room found in a 5-star hotel. You know, the rooms generally called as a perishable item of the hotel. Why? Because from the rooms, hotel earn maximum revenue. So there are different categories of room. Hotels sell in a different price, different tariff. The first categories of room, I can say it's a single room. It's a very simple, a small room meant for single person. The room would be having a single bed. Double room, the room which is meant for 2 person and room is having a double bed. Right? Now we can say about twin room. What is called twin room? Twin room is a type of room which is having 2 separate bed and it is separate by a common bedside table. Then we can talk about Hollywood twin room. What is called Hollywood twin room? It seems like a twin room, but both the beds are connected by a common headboard. The main difference between twin and Hollywood twin is having 2 separate beds and they are separate by each other with a common bedside table. But here for the Hollywood twin, they are having a common headboard. Now we can talk about the suite room. What is called suite room? Suite generally justify as an expensive room in the hotel. Suite room having a big room with an attached balcony, attached parlor, attached spa, together attached swimming pool. Suite rooms generally sell in the hotel in a very high price with the exterior and the interior designing is very high. The room would be having a big chandeliers, right? And the rooms would be having a butler services. So suites generally in the hotel, maximum hotel, they are having different suites, but mainly the suite room is to sell in a very high price in the hotel. Mainly in the rack rate, suite room used to sell. Then we can talk about cabana. What is called cabana? Cabana is a type of room which is generally situated just next to the swimming pool. Why? Because the guest who is going to swimming pool to do the swimming, right, or maybe to assist someone, they can use this room as a changing and the resting room. So therefore cabana is generally situated just next to the swimming pool or maybe next to the beach so that the guest can do change their costume. Now we can talk about lanai. What is called lanai? Lanai is a type of room. It is generally any type of room could be a lanai, but make sure the room should be having a great view from the balcony. That means the lanai room is a type of room which is having a balcony facilities with a good view, right? The room would be completely, it would be a glass, and from the glass to the interior to the outside, a guest can have a great natural view. It could be garden, it could be a swimming pool, it may be, for example, the waterfalls, it could be the sea facing, whatever the availability in the hotel. So the good view room is generally called lanai. Now there are hotels, they are having a different categories of room that is called efficiency room. What do you mean by efficiency? The hotels generally, there are some commercial hotel, there are some resort hotel. In the commercial hotel, maximum guest is to be for example, the businessman, the serviceman, for example, the gadgeted officers, they used to go for the official purpose. But in the resort, maximum guest used to go for the relaxation, right? So therefore in the resort hotel, there is a different categories of room that is called efficiency. The room which is having a kitchenette facility, I mean the room would be having a kitchen. If the guest can make his own food inside the room itself. But nowadays there are a few commercial hotel, they are also having efficiency room in the hotel, right? So ultimate efficiency room means the room which is having a kitchenette facilities, so guests can cook their own food if they want, right? Now we can talk about hospitality room. What do you mean by hospitality room, right? The industry had got changed. Hospitality room means the in-house guest, the hotel staffs, the hotel employee to entertain themselves, maybe for their birthday, maybe for their anniversaries, maybe some occasion, they can call their family members, they can call their friends to the hotel and they can give them a room to relax, right? So for the own guest, for the in-house guest, for the employees, the hotel is having a different categories of room that is called hospitality room. That means to entertain their own guest, the room is used, that is called hospitality room, so that the staffs, the employees, they will be motivated, right? And the room tariff is very minimum, the discounted price hotel used to provide. Now I can talk about a different categories of room that is called duplex. The duplex is a type of room which is generally having a two level under the same roof, right? The upper level used to have a bed, right? That is called as a bedroom, and the lower level would be a drawing cum dining, the sitting room, right? And both the levels are connected by a common staircase so that the guest can sleep at night in the room, and in the morning time he can sit in the downstairs and he can do some meeting, something like this for the for this requirement. So therefore the duplex is a room which is having a two level, upper level used for the bedroom and the lower level used for the drawing and sitting room. It's mainly used for the businessman. Right. Now we can talk about different categories, a separate room that is called quad room, right? What is called quad room? Quad room is a type of room which is having a four separate bed, right? For the four individual guests. So mainly it is used for the individual guests, those who are going to somewhere, some other places for the business purpose, maybe for leisure purpose. So guests can stay, the four guests can stay together in a single room with a less price, with a discounted price, in a four bed in a single room. That room is called quad. That means quad means a room which is having a four bed and the four person can stay together. So this is all about the various types of room which is there in the hotel, and so which guests can earn their revenue, actually maximizing the revenue by the room itself, right? So for any further assistance you can connect with us to the CCLMS Management College, right? And stay tuned with CCLMS for any further information. If you wanted to know, please drop a one-liner message to the drop down box. Thank you. Stay tuned with CCLMS Management College. Thank you so much.